Okay, so I'm going to start recording the way I'm going to be solving the exercise. All right, guys, the first thing I would like to do is I would like to eliminate the parentheses. So there is nothing over here in the beginning of the exercise, so I don't have to change any symbols. It's going to be negative 4k to the fourth plus 14 plus 3k squared. And now I have a positive, and when I multiply positive times negative, the answer is? Guys, negative 3k to the fourth, positive times negative, the answer is negative 14k squared. And positive times negative, the answer is negative, right? Now, guys, I would like to collect like terms that are alike. And they are alike because of their exponent. So I'm gonna have negative 4k to the fourth power, and over here I'm gonna be having negative 3k to the fourth power, right? They are like terms because they have the same exponents. Now the plus 14 is it's alike negative 8, right? And then the term 3k squared is going to be alike negative 14k squared, right? If I reorganize these numbers, I will have my yellow part first, okay? And in my yellow, I'm going to turn it black because sometimes it's difficult to see yellow. Negative 4k to the fourth power minus 3k to the fourth power, right? Then I'm going to be having my green part that is saying plus 14 minus 8. And finally, I'm going to be having my red part that is going to be saying plus 3k squared minus 14k squared. Right, guys? Any questions? Oh,
no, teacher.
No questions at all?
No.
So I'm happy that everything is clear. Now, in this yellow part, negative 4 minus 3, what is the answer? I owe 4 and I owe 3. How much do I owe?
Negative 7.
Negative 7k to the fourth power, right? And then I'm going to be turning into green. Plus 14 minus 8. What's the answer, guys?
Negative 11.
Negative 11?
6.
Yes.
Positive or negative?
Positive 6.
Positive 6. Because 6 plus 2 is 10. And plus 4 is going to be 14. Now after that, I'm going to be turning to my red part. Positive 3. I have 3, but I owe 14. How much do I have?
Negative 11.
Negative 11k squared, right? Now I am going to reorganize, okay? I am going to reorganize all my terms. So negative 7k to the fourth minus 11k squared, and finally plus 6. Yes? Now guys, what was the first step? What was the first step? Guys, what was the first step?
Take out the parentheses.
So eliminate.
Parentheses.
No, I'm going to do it faster. This is going to be forever if I try to copy it like this. So first step, eliminate grouping symbols, right? Eliminate grouping symbols. Second step, guys. What was the second step?
Reorganize the terms.
A little bit louder, please.
It sounds good now.
Yes, perfect, Mr. Arciniegas.
Re regroup or reorganize the terms.
Okay, so collect
Collect.
like terms. Collect like terms. That's when we were coloring, right, Mr. Arciniegas?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, and what is the next step I have to do, guys? Number 3. We colored, we collect like terms, and finally we organize in descending order. We're talking about exponents here. Exponents. Okay, guys? Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move on to the next exercise, guys. And I am also going to follow the steps that I have over here in exercise 9. Eliminate grouping symbols. So I'm going to eliminate grouping symbols. I'm going to be having 3 minus 6n to the 5th power minus 8n to the 4th power. And now I am going to be doing deliveries of pizza. Negative times negative, the answer is?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive 6n to the 4th power. And then here, negative times negative, the answer is?
Positive.
Positive 3n. And then here, negative times negative, the answer is positive again. And you will have 8n to the 5th power. We already eliminated grouping symbols. Now I want to collect like terms, right? And who can give me a hand, guys, of what terms are alike? I am going to have no variables. Any other with no variables? No.
No.
Okay, I am going to have to the 5th power. Any other with to the 5th power?
No, teacher.
Yes, the last one.
Wait. Excuse me.
Now, to the 4th power. To the 4th power and
With
to
the
the 4th power. And to the 1 power.
No one.
3, yes, 3 and 3n. They don't
3n.
have exponents, so is equal to the power of 1.
Very good, Mr. Angel. But look, the 3 doesn't have a variable. That's why I used a different color, right? So I'm going to collect like terms. 3, then green, minus 6n to the 5th. And the last one is going to be plus 8n to the 5th. Then let's continue with my blue color, minus 8n to the 4th, plus 6n to the 4th. And finally, the one that we were talking about that didn't have an exponent, plus 3n. All right, guys, I want to listen to Ms. Llano and then Ms. Garces.
Yes.
You have your hand raised.
Oh, no, teacher. No,
Okay,
sorry.
Ms. Garces, how can I help you?
No, teacher, is that Mafe have internet issues.
Okay, thank you very much for letting me know. All right, guys, can I do something with the number 3? No, there's no operation with the number 3. Now, negative 6n plus 8n to the 5th power. What is the answer?
2. 2 into the
Plus
5th.
2n to the 5th power. And then let's go in, let's turn to blue. Negative 8n to the 4th plus 6n to the 4th. Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative 2n to the 4th power. And then let's go to the orange guy. And the orange guy is saying, well, there's no operation I can do with another term that is alike, like me. Now, I finish collect like terms. Then it says organize in descending order, and we were talking about exponents. So I'm gonna have 2n to the 5th power. After that, minus 2n to the fourth power plus 2n, no. This is not green. It's gonna be orange. It's gonna be plus 3n. And finally, plus 3. Any questions, guys?
No, teacher.